Welcome, Pokemon fans, to our second battle of the day. We have Saturn Bear, Senior Bear, Saturn Bear, and he's going up against a shiny team, and he wants to show us. It really looks like he's outmatched, and yeah. I'm going to turn that down a little bit because it's coming in a little loud for me. Now, it looks like it's Mega Gengar versus Mega Gengar because those are the only two possible abilities of Mega Evolving. We have... yeah. We got a Pokemon user that's using a... yeah. Why am I having troubles with this? He has a Goodra. Probably a Flinch, Togekiss, a Tank, Weezing, a Salamence, and his unusual Pokemon, Hitmonchan. And Jeremiah, Saturn Bear, that's what I'll call him. Infermate, Tentacruel, Mega Gengar most likely. I don't know. Looks like he's outmatched already. So let's see actually how he does. Yeah. I need to get better at this. Get more comfortable. And here we go. Starts out with a fake out, not bad. As long as you're faster than the Togekiss and able to take it out before he paralyzes, you're good. Togekiss is basically paralyzed, and then they start with the Air Slash for the flinch. Come on, ground type. I don't remember any ground types, so he's... what's going to get paralyzed? I don't know. Not looking too hot. He has leftovers though? King's Rock does stack with it and increases the chance of flinch, so I'd personally be rocking that instead of leftovers, mainly since he gets roost and can heal up that way. But it comes down to personal preference. Because when a tank like Tentacruel comes in, see, he has to use the roost anyway. It just doesn't make sense. If he had the high flinch chance, he'd be taking less damage. Uh-oh. Special attack is going up. This is going to be the slow part of the video because he does have the type advantage, but it's tank versus tank. Tentacruel's paralyzed, so most likely he's going to be able to get some good damage down. By the way, this is music again is from Aaron. I have 4 different songs on here right now. If you like the sound of any of them in the background, tell me and I'll try to stick to what you guys like. Heck yeah! That was an actual awesome move. Down goes Birdie. Alright, in comes the Mega Gengar, most likely. We got our Guts Bird versus Mega Gengar. Now, here's probably going to be a situation where I don't understand. I understand that in the certain combinations and doubles and stuff like that, he's a deadly threat. But most of the people I've talked to about banning him on Smogon was, it's because he can go 1-for-1 guaranteed. I don't see it. A lot of Pokemon can go 1-for-1. My Crawdaunt can go 1-for-1. And we're going for the sweep right now. Gudra's typically special defensive, so he's kinda SOL'd. Max, you did good. Take a rest. Oh, Thunderbolt. Alright. Time for the Karate Master to come in and fake him out. And maybe finish him? Nope. There's that Gooey to slow him down. You turn out. Gives you the switch prerogative. What do we got coming in now? We have Greninja on this side. Perfect switch in for when you gotta go first. Versus the Salamence. Ice Beam, Stab, Dragon dead. Why would you switch in on that? Ugh. He definitely has a Life Orb. He's Stab, Life Orb. Oi. Change. Nope. Nope. And is he going to get the burn? Come on, burn! Ah. And Shadow Sneak for the kill. Sorry, but I was kind of rooting for Hitmonchan to actually do something, because not very often used Pokemon. It's kind of cool. And in comes that bluish green Weezing. Burn! Come on! Well, there's a burn that I've been wanting the whole time. Doesn't really do much to Greninja, but whatever. A burn's a burn. And with that is victory. Definitely was a good battle. Shows that OU Pokemon are always the best, I guess. But, yeah, I'm actually really impressed with that Tailo. Swalo, is it what he evolves into? Yeah. Your Swalo is actually pretty good, man. I might actually take a look at that myself. Well, thank you for the video, and best of luck.